Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy A7 or A7550 that was released in October 2018. This device has been updated and is running Android 10. I recently repaired this device, but the video footage got corrupted. As it relates to replacement parts, be careful when trying to purchase screens for this device from eBay and Amazon. There are multiple fakes out there and they won't fit perfectly. I had to do some modifications on the screen in order for it to fit, so I can't recommend purchasing replacement parts from eBay for the Galaxy A7. So this specific Galaxy A7 has 4GB of RAM and the Exynos 7885, which is an 8-core processor from Samsung. Running Geekbench 5 benchmark, the Galaxy A7 gets a single core score of 303 and a multi-core score of 993. Now for some comparison, the Snapdragon version of the Galaxy S8 Plus got 359 single core and 1443 multi-core, and it was released a year before the Galaxy A7 and would cost roughly the same on Amazon at the time of making this video. So let's take a look at how the Galaxy A7 does with some games. As you can see, the A7 does great with native Android games but does struggle with some emulation. I did test the N64 emulation off camera and it did very well. Overall, the Galaxy A7 is a good device if you're planning to stick mostly to native Android games. I personally don't like that most games now require some online connectivity, and I mostly buy my devices in order to do some gaming when I'm busy with work or I'm far away from home and Wi-Fi. Because I usually buy my devices broken, I would recommend going with an older device like the Galaxy S8, the S8 Plus, or even the Galaxy S9 if you can find it at a good price. Alright guys, well thanks for watching and I hope to catch you in the next video.